Welcome back. Amodar Pratap Singh. In a major development shaking the Indian judiciary, Allahabad High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma has tendered his resignation to President Draupadi Murmu with immediate effect. In his letter, he cited deep anguish but did not elaborate on the reasons. The move comes after a year-long probe triggered by serious corruption charges. On March 14, 2025, firefighters had discovered large quantities of unaccounted, partly burnt cash in sacks at the outhouse of his official Delhi residence during a fire. An in-house Supreme Court committee set up on the 22nd of March 2025 had investigated recorded statements from over 50 witnesses and submitted its report in early May, confirming his tacit control over the storeroom and recommending removal for misconduct. Justice Varma refused the then CJI's advice to resign, calling the process unfair. The matter had escalated. Parliament received removal notices in July 2025, and in August, the Lok Sabha Speaker admitted the motion and formed a three-member inquiry committee under the Judges Inquiry Act. By resigning now, Justice Varma has effectively ended the impeachment proceedings, allowing him to retain pension and retirement benefits that a parliamentary removal would have stripped. Analysts say this marks a rare but important moment for judicial accountability, underscoring that no judge is above the law and helping safeguard public trust in the higher judiciary at a time when integrity concerns have been under scrutiny. The resignation brings the prolonged cash row saga now to a close. Joining us in the broadcast now is Justice Ravindra Singh, former Judge, Allahabad High Court. Justice Singh, welcome. Thank you very much for being with us today. Does the resignation now close this chapter according to you?
Yes. Now there was impeachment proceedings for which the inquiry was pending as directed by the Speaker. Now he has resigned. Now the proceedings of the impeachment closed automatically.
Yes. Unprecedented moves by then Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna releasing to the public prima facie the findings of the registrar and opening an investigation. Do you believe that has set a precedence of transparency?
We can't say it because it is from the office of this Honorable Chief Justice of India. Now we can't say anything about that. There is no comment on the action taken by the CJI or the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court. We can't say anything about that.
Okay. We often see scandals in politics, in civil services. But how important is it that those scandals rock the judiciary? How important is it that the judiciary retain an unimpeachable public reputation?
Definitely, if such type of things come in the public domain, the impression of the public goes against the judicial system.
Yes. What lessons then can be learned, sir? And SOPs and also precedents for the future of transparency and collective reputation safeguarding from this entire episode?
No, by this action, nothing can be done. But the procedure is already established by the law, and the same is being followed in every case. Here is also the procedure settled by the law was going against the Honorable Justice Yashwant Varma.
Justice Lokpal Singh now is also joining us. Justice Ravindra Singh, I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much